She need compassion.
Get money, get money, get money, get money, get money, get money, get money.
That get money music, baby.
Get money, get money,
Yeah.
get money, get money.
All
Hustle, 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 hustle.
She need compassion.
Oh my God, that was hella tight. So, another episode. You guys, I am getting ready because it is, the 30th. And we're getting ready to launch these pick sacks. Hey! So, because I go through Wix, good or bad. I guess it's good because I have a website, I like it. What I don't like is the way it's set up. But anyways, these pink sacks are limited edition sacks that are only for Breast Cancer Awareness Month. And unfortunately, because of the way Wix has theirs set up, I have to add them to my already sales page. I can't do a lead page or a landing page, especially for that. So I can only do it today. And you guys, if you know anything about me, I like to prepare. I do not like to do things the day before or the day of, because I just don't like it. What if something goes wrong? What if you need to plan? What if you need more time? Just whatever. So getting ready to do that so that we can launch tomorrow. We have a limited amount. I hope we sell every single one. Thank you for watching, and I'll show you the website once I'm done with it. Okay? Stay tuned. Hey. It is Sunday, October 1st. You guys, this year is going by so fast, I just can't even believe it. So I'm getting ready to do, as I usually do, if you've been following me on the series, go over my numbers. Can't believe only 2 more months, you guys, and I have to print a whole new sheet and get ready for a whole new year. But anyways, I'm excited. We're going into the 4th quarter. So I'm stepping up my game in the 4th quarter. First of all, I released the pink limited edition silky sacks for Breast Cancer Awareness Month. Released those today. I finished the website. I know we talked about that. You know what? Let me go on the website and show you. So I went ahead and built the page. So here it is, Shop for the Cure. And then if you go back to the home page, you can see if you hit this beautiful pictures of my models with the sacks covering up their breast and their beautiful bracelets. You can see if you hit that, boom, it'll take you to the page. So was able to get that done last night. Then you guys, what's really important, boom. So email marketing. If you have a Wix account, they have shout outs, which is templates and their automated email because they no longer work with PicMonkey. So I just want to show you really quickly. So I published this one on the 25th. I sent out 43 emails. I got 33 views, you guys, and 6 clicks. So when you are shooting for email, if you are in the beauty industry, which is my category, silky sacks is the beauty industry, and you're looking for a conversion rate of 2%. 3% is great, but the average for the beauty industry on an email is 2%. Average is 3% overall industry-wise. So as you can see, I killed it. If you do the math on that, I killed it. I got, if 10% would have been 3 clicks, right? Because I got 33 views, so 3 would have been 10%, and I got 6. So I doubled that. So what is I got, like 25%? So I smashed it, yes. So email marketing, I just got to keep building my list. So because today is the 1st and it's Breast Cancer Awareness Month, let's go back. Yeah, the pink limited edition silky sacks are just gorgeous, and I'm really proud of them. I don't know, have I showed you guys them yet? Let me just go get one. So these are them, and they're only going to be sold for the month of October, and then if you want a pink one, you're going to have to wait for October of 2018. So I wanted to do this to kind of, well, number one, to support the cause of breast cancer awareness, and then pink is my favorite color, and then also I think it's a good way to participate and do something different and to kind of rejuvenate your business and get something going from a marketing standpoint. And then the great thing about it is not only are you doing something great for your business, but you're also doing something great for humanity, for the world. So we like to do that over here at Silky Sex. So, hey, share with you down below if you did anything in October, because by the time this airs, it'll probably be either the end of October or October might even completely be over. So just curious, are you doing anything to participate in October Breast Cancer Awareness Month? I don't know if I said it already, but $5 from every one of these Silky Sacks sold will go to the Susan G. Komen Fund, and I did a video and all that good stuff on that. I was kind of down because I pitched a local TV show about coming on and talking about it. Didn't hear anything from them, but that's okay. Another good thing that happened from this too is I'm able to be in support and donate the pink Silky Sacks to a local event that I got on Haro, Haro. And if you're not familiar with them, you guys really, if you have a business, should sign up. I'll put the link down below. And they just, it's called Help a Reporter Out. That's what HARO stands for, Help a Reporter Out. And what you do is when you have a business or a product, reporters will go on this site and put what they're looking for, whether it be an expert on this, a product for a giveaway, give bags, they need to interview somebody, they need an expert to come on their show, just whatever. And then if you fit what they're looking for, then you pitch them. And so it was a give back for an event that's local that supports African American breast cancer awareness for Bloomingdale's down in the Bay Area. And I was so excited because I'm all about supporting the community, especially my own community, the community in general, but especially my own community. I'm proud to be a part of that. And also, since breast cancer is personal for me because I had an aunt who is here alive because of early detection, I'm really proud to support this. So it's October. Well, at least it is October now. So hopefully you, by the time you've seen this, have got involved or somehow. And if you haven't, there's always next year. Think of a way that you can maybe incorporate it to your own business. And if you don't own a business, maybe you can support other businesses like myself or other companies who are doing something to help this horrible, horrible disease that affects way too many women. So anyway, that's it for this episode. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. I'm going to go ahead and do the numbers. Maybe next week's episode I will come and talk about the numbers and more about fourth quarter. God, you guys, that sounds so crazy. Fourth quarter, we're going into the holiday quarter. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. Remember to keep God first and create opportunities.